Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can change your Volaris flight. So the very first thing that you need to do is to access your reservation. So visit the Volaris My Trips page, which is in this one, and then just enter your reservation code and the last name used during the booking. So here you have to put here the reservation code and then the last name exactly as in your confirmation. Then once you're done, just tap on go to my reservation, and then in there you have to initiate the change. So select the change flight option. Here you will see at the left side of the corner menu, and then tap on change flight, then choose the flights that you wish to modify. So here is where you can see the flight. So you just have to choose the flight that you wish to modify, and then select new origin or destination and desired date. So here you can change what you want to change in there, and then just pick new flights from the available options. So here, change flight. Once you pick everything in here, you have to tap on change flight, and then also there is add any additional services that you require. So it depends on you. You just really have to change everything that you want to change, and then proceed to payment to cover any fare differences and applicable change fees. So here is where you confirm. So click on change flight and select the flight that you want to modify. Choose new itinerary and then confirm your new flight here. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!